I want us to look at 5 ways of enhancing a lecture method of teaching and learning. This is your presenter, Professor Kibet of Jalan Education. What is a lecture method? A lecture method is a traditional and widely used teaching strategy in which an instructor delivers a structured presentation of information to a large number of students. This approach is centered around the instructor's verbal delivery, often supplemented by visual aids such as slides, diagrams, and videos. While the lecture method has its limitations, it remains a valuable instructional approach when used effectively and supplemented with other teaching methods to create a more engaging and comprehensive experience. So in the next section, I want us to look at the strategies that a teacher can use to enhance a lecture method. This includes the following. 1. Interactive elements. Incorporate questions, discussions, and activities to engage students and encourage participation. Number 2, teachers can use multimedia. So use of multimedia resources to make the presentation more dynamic and to cater for different learning styles. Strategy number 3, breaks. Provide short breaks or change activities to help maintain students' attention and focus. And number 4, summaries and reviews. Regularly summarize key points and review material to reinforce learning and retention. And finally, feedback. Seek feedback from students to understand their needs and adjust the lecture style or content accordingly. So that marks the end of our presentation that we've been looking at 5 ways of enhancing a lecture method of teaching. I wish you well as you apply these